In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete TikTok business account. If you're ready to close a business presence on TikTok, I'll guide you through the process on the web from signing in to confirming deletion with clear explanations along the way. Start by opening TikTok in your browser and landing on the For You page. In the upper right corner, click Log In. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Google option, so choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account that's linked to your TikTok, then confirm by clicking Continue. If you're prompted for permissions, approve them so TikTok can sign you in. If you normally sign in with a different method, that's fine. The steps that follow will look the same once you're logged in. After you've signed in, look to the left side of the screen and click Profile to open your account page. This is a good moment to double check you're viewing the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple brands or profiles. On your profile page, find and click the Settings gear icon. This opens your account settings panel. From there, choose Manage Account. This section is where TikTok keeps essential controls for account information and status. Inside Manage Account, look for the option labeled Delete. Click it to start the deletion process. TikTok will show information about what deletion means for your account. Read this carefully. Deleting a business account will remove your presence and content according to TikTok's policies. In many cases, TikTok first deactivates the account, and after a limited window, often around 30 days, it proceeds to permanent deletion if you don't log back in. During that window, your profile may be hidden from others, and you can usually reverse the action by signing in again. If you rely on features like ads, business tools, or commerce integrations, be aware those will stop working once deletion begins. When you're ready to proceed, click Continue on the confirmation of the screen. You may be asked to verify your choice again, which is normal for security. Follow any on-screen prompts until TikTok confirms your request has been submitted. That's it. You've navigated from login to deletion using the web interface. Log in from the For You page, open your profile, go to the Settings gear, choose Manage Account, select Delete, and confirm with Continue. If you change your mind within the allowed time frame, simply log back in to cancel deletion. Otherwise, once the window passes, the account is permanently removed according to TikTok's policy.